Mahatma Gandhi ji always had a book in his hand. That is Bhagavad Gita. Because he always has that book. I always have the Bhagavad Gita book in my bag. Always means always. Whenever I have time, I see it again and 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 again. It's always with you. Every shloka you study again and again. Marvel at it. Let the Gita sink in you. Gandhiji had that book in his hand. Therefore he became Gandhiji. If we also have the same book in our hand always, we will also become like Gandhiji. Why can't we become like Gandhiji? Why not? Hold that book in your hand